I keep thinking to myself, what are humans supposed to do? It can't just be work, eat, sleep, repeat. You'll see I did that a lot, but in the end something really upsetting slowed our lives down enough so that we could actually live.
Hi, I'm Phaedra, and this is my husband Moroni.
Hello.
We've been flower farming and running a florist business for the past 5 years.
Are you having fun being a farmer?
Yeah.
We had the land, some knowledge, limited resources, and almost no budget. We set up our farm from scratch, grew flowers to supply our own florist business, continued raising 3 kids, and have had the most amazing time. We had to sell flowers to fund our lives and to make this work, and we did. We supported our family of 5 for 4 years selling flowers. And then it all came crashing down. And now our farm is changing into something very surprising. Building something literally from the ground up feels so big, an accomplishment that could easily be lost in the never-ending to-do list. It's kind of lovely how if you go with the ebbs and flows of life, it brings you what you need. God gives you what you need. We had the most amazing time building a farm up, running a florist business, meeting amazing people who purchased our flowers, and I have to tell you, delivering flowers is such a happy occasion. Even when it's sad, it brings joy. It's amazing. We aren't sad about this era ending, we have completely embraced whatever is to come next. We have plans for the farm. I can't wait to show you this gorgeous, fully edible garden and build all of my ideas out into this space. I'm loving getting to enjoy the flowers and grow food. This is pure joy. We have forged our own lives amongst a world that wants to tell us what to do. We can't imagine not doing this. This is a beautiful life.